All right, my little space monkeys. Hope you're all having a good day. We got the technology fixed over here, so it's time to dive in. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Pretty much the same story on the weekly. Nothing has changed there. If we go to our 2.0 spider lines, resting right on. What are the chances? What are the chances we see a nice little, just a little bounce right off the spider line? Let's go in the past. Take a look. See, here's a pretty good spider line here. It's a pretty good one. Yeah, pretty good one. So not surprising that we see, a little support here. We've seen a little support here. To the naked eye, if you're a naked guy, we've seen this pattern before. I know I've seen this pattern before. I'm talking about this whole thing, not just this little flag here. You know what the problem is? I'll tell you what the problem is. At this exact moment, recording this video, outside of U.S. hours, there is no body doing anything that is real. There's no human liquidity. None. So this is just little mind games and weird stuff. And I gotta say, in my opinion, any pump in crypto is probably just a smokescreen for an overall dump. As we said 2 or 3 days ago, the price goes up and down. But overall, I believe it's going down. Now, the 12-hour VWAP oscillation coming up. I don't like this tiny little inward curvature. The price can still move up. I mean, when the VWAP crosses up, it crosses up. But we like to see it outwardly curved, not inwardly curved. Momentum is clipping here. RSIs are dragging on here on the 12-hour. Let's go to a lower time frame here and kind of take a look. See here. Yeah, dude. Yeah, no, I'm. And the beginning of the market open, like from an hour before market open to an hour after, it's funky town. Now, if you were with us during like the 6 or 10 minute stream before things went haywire, the rumors may be true. There just may be a little market Cipher bot that is entering public testing. Now, when I say public testing, I don't mean giving it to everybody. I mean, I actually don't really know what I mean yet. Here's what I want to do, publicly or not. 2 separate variables, exchanges. On one exchange, I just punch it in at a random time, like when I wake up, like tonight. The other one, I think I'm going to do only during U.S. market hours, like an hour after open until it closes, and see what happens. But here's my question. I never ask you guys to do anything in the comment section. Never. But what if you were gonna get a signal bot or a trade helper? If it told you a trade, what success rate would you want that to be to pay whatever it is? I don't know, $50 and $40 a month. 50%, 60%, 70, 55, 80, 100. Let me know in the comments. Also, okay, we're rolling with Bitfunded right now. If you aren't using a prop firm, you don't know what you're missing. Most of you, when I do a poll and ask you guys if $10,000 would change your life, 80% of you say yes. That means 80% of you should be using a prop firm to work your way up, get funded, trade your way up. My brother made $70,000 in, a few months doing it this way. You can do it. Bitfunded right now for us is doing a buy one, get one free. You get a 2-step free. If you don't know what this is, I'm going to be quick. There's 2 types of tests. There's one test is a one step. You make 10% on a demo account, then you get funded. The other is a two-step. You make 10% and then 5%, and then you get funded. But you have a larger drawdown. I'm a one-step guy. Anyways, you guys are going to be seeing me using this on streams. And if you're one of my homies, hit me up. Now, the tariff action yesterday. If you this year or since last year, every single Trump tariff red day, if you bought or went long or got calls on every red tariff day, you probably would be at a 100% win rate. 100%. So, and this one's no different. Stacked up Google. I was stacking up Google. Did you stack up Google? Let's go, Google. Google on the 30-minute. Nice little basic strategy coming up here, I think. Google. I'm liking it. What's gold and okay. Gold, money flow coming down, little curvature, beautiful RSIs right here. Well, we got a little hope there. What is this, the 30-minute? Let's go to the 4 hour. Look at that 4 hour VWAP oscillation coming up on the 4 hour with gold. Okay. Yeah. Listen, unless it's the end. And that's not what we do. We don't bet on now it's different. It's you go with the trend. So when Google goes down on some tariff BS news, I'm buying. My little buddy Jamie Dimon. I'm the biggest fan of Jamie Dimon. If a lot of you don't know, I read his books and everything. Damn, I was gonna make a point on this. I forgot what it was. Anyways, screw up. XLE. Okay, XLE. All right. Okay, great. How's let's see, CoreWeave here. Is CoreWeave going up here? Okay, CoreWeave looks like it's going up in the pre-market. Okay. What the heck's going on here? All right. Anyways, yeah, with the market Cipher bot, I don't know. I might do like a copy trade group. I might do one for like market hours, one for non-market hours. Even just saying copy trade just runs. I shiver for 30 days. And be it as it may. And you know what? Here's the thing. In this trading stuff, you could be right 20% of the time, but if you have the proper risk management, still be profitable. And I mean, hell, it could be right half the time. And I don't know. We'll see. There's always room for improvement. So, but yeah, I'm long. I am long, and there might be a flash dump into a flash pump. I think we're seeing green today. But overall, yeah, it's overall. I mean, this thing's gonna. I think it's going down overall. Could be wrong. Who knows? But yeah, these spider lines, man, they don't lie. They're just trend lines. I think this could be a mutilated Jesus take the wheel. We could have a mutilated Jesus take the wheel. We need these RSAs to fight back up. And his view up to come up nice. Yep, pinching on the 12-hour. Pull up the DBSI. What the hell is going on? Dude, Jesus Christ, I just fixed this. Okay. All right. Building bull numbers on the DBSI, on the 12-hour, on the 4-hour as well. Weakening. Okay, it's still in the negatives. Okay, so increasing bull numbers. Well, it's a slight increase on the bear side. Let's go to the 2-hour. Okay. Yeah, it's a little funky. We're in the funky time right before market open. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. There's no humans right now, so we're at the mercy of the Chinese bots. But if I was a betting man, which I am, I think we see green today, but look for them flash wigs, man. My official prediction, boom, boom, something like that. All right.